Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNZ. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you against another small tips and settings on how you can actually change the backgrounds of your Zoom meetings, right? So the moment that you're actually attending some Zoom meetings, you'll be able to see that sometimes, the environments that you're in and also the backgrounds that you're in, perhaps you're actually streaming from your home, like your bedrooms, or perhaps outdoor, right? The backgrounds is kind of like a little bit messy, or perhaps it's not that presentable. So how do you actually change your background, or perhaps set up a virtual background for your Zoom meetings, right? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly on how you can actually change the background, remove the backgrounds, and also at the same time set up a virtual background for your Zoom meeting. So let's go into the step-by-step sharing. Now, basically, it's when the moments that you're actually hosting your Zoom meetings, right? You can actually start the video of you actually, talking to your participants, right? So what will happen is that you are actually screening your exact backgrounds that you are actually having, right? So sometimes, my backgrounds over right here is kind of like boring right now. So if you can see from here, the background is kind of like, hey, nothing is there. And, if you would like to actually change the background designs of your screens, how do you do that, right? You can just come over to here, and if you can see from here, right, you can actually choose a virtual background. Yep. So I can click on that. So what I can do is that I can actually just change, if you can see from my backgrounds behind, right? I will just, move it around for you. So this is my actual screen behind. Yeah. So I'm actually doing settings over right here. So what you can see is that I can just click on the the backgrounds, the available backgrounds that I have, and yeah, I'll be in the space right now. Okay, so it depends on the dress that you're wearing, and sometimes you will happen this kind of case. Yeah, I'm not too sure why my face is being become blue. I have a blue teeth over right here. Okay, but sometimes it's what happens when you're doing a virtual background. It might not be able to cut your shape very nicely. So sometimes, you can see that my neck has become transparent as well. So make sure that, you are actually wearing not something that is white in color. So easier for them to actually detect the backgrounds, right? I can also even do, I can also at the same time add a background as well. So let's say I don't think I have a picture with me over right here. What I would do is that I would just go to Google, and I will just find a picture for now first. Yeah. So what I would do is that I will do a share screen. Yep. So if you don't know how to share the screens, what you can actually do is that you can actually check out my other video. Okay, I actually show how to actually do the share screens over like that. Yeah, a much more detailed one. So I can just go here and check on a nice background, wallpaper or something like that on Google's, right? And I can actually save that as a background. As an image, and later I can actually replace that, in my Zoom. Yeah. So now I think I'm in, San Francisco. Okay. It has been so long, I didn't go for travels already. Let's see. Nice wall background. Yeah, wallpapers over right here. Maybe I want this. So I get a combinations of all the different, areas right there, right? You can choose any background that you like. Yeah, so this is the one that I want to do. Save image. And yeah. Okay, so I will just do this. Okay, so once I'm done, so right here, I saved the image already, right? I'm going to go back. I'm going to stop my share. So I'm going to come back to here. I'm going to come here and change my virtual background again. So I'm going to go under the virtual backgrounds, and I'm going to come here and add a virtual background, right? So what I will do is that I can just come here and select the image that I have under download. Okay, so this is the image that I downloaded just now. And voila, you can see that the image has been, displayed over right here. And yeah, So I highly recommend you to select something that is actually, what you call as a high resolutions, and don't wear something like mine. You will need to actually wear, a contrast with your backgrounds, or else this is what happens. You see my hand is like disappear halfway. So this is sometimes, it actually happens if you're actually doing a virtual background. Yeah. So, in the case that you actually, you would like to change, these might be the risk that of you will be having. So right here, okay. So this is the settings that we are looking at over right here. So yeah, so if you want to actually start your video, you can actually do something like this. Okay, you can actually do a virtual background, or you can actually use their default background as well. Or else, if you don't like, you can actually just close your face. So this is like kind of scary, right? I'm having a blue teeth. Now it's actually a black teeth. Okay, so that's why in this video that I would like to share with you guys how you can actually change the background of your Zoom meetings, to a virtual background. So you can leave a comment below and let me know right here, or else you can also leave a comment below over down here on in terms of like if you successfully change the backgrounds of your Zoom meetings. And I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.